number?
3,000.
3,000. The number?
4,000.
4,000. And the?
7,000.
Good. We are done. So now, the first team to play is this one, right? You remember, we are on which order?
Descending.
We are on descending from
The biggest to the smallest.
from the biggest to the smallest. Your team is it? Arsenal. Eh? Arsenal, are you ready?
Yes.
If you are ready, do like this.
No,
Yes, Arsenal, they are ready.
it's Barcelona.
Oh, they don't know their name. Oh, okay. Get descending.
Inshuti bakunzi ba Imena TV show. Aha turi mu kigo cya Biz Foundation School aho abana biga bari kuri tele ndetse bari kuri field bagasohoka bakajya hanze kugira ngo ibintu biga bigaragare ndetse biganireho mu matsinda. Rero tugiye gukurikira uburyo bagiye kwiga bari kumwe na teacher Mabla. Reka dukurikire.
You will start facing us. No, start from there. You start from there. Okay, come back. Start quickly. Go quickly. Show us the number. Quickly. 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 You just to see if they are doing it very well. Show us the number. Quickly extend there. Down. Extend a bit. Show us the number. Show us the number. Team leader, check your group now if you have won.
Is it and then?
And then check your group if it is fine.
Yes.
Extend down there. Joella, where are we supposed to be?
No,
Let us see.
Shema, come. No, come here. No. Come here.
Remain 4 seconds.
Group representative on how to learn
Show us your number, Joella.
class. The
Okay,
Biz
make a
Foundation.
line. Make a line quickly if you are finished. Make a line.
Let's see the competition.
Extend it then. Extend it there. Okay, good. Make a good line. Time is up. First us, show us the number. Guys, the first number is it? Can you read the first number there? The biggest one is
9,383.
Is it the biggest?
Yes.
The second one?
8,345.
Is it the second one in the biggest?
Yes.
Good. Next one?
4,738.
Is that number in a good position?
Yes.
Yes. Extend a bit. Show us your number.
3,000.
3,000. Is it in a good position?
Yes.
Next one?
2,000.
Is it in a good position?
Yes.
Next one?
1,000.
Is it in a good position?
Yes.
The last one?
1,008.
Is it in a good position?
No.
No. 1,008 is bigger than 1,000. And you have brought 1,000 before 1,008. Right? 1,008, here there is 1,000. So this team is failing a bit. Again. You will start again. Sorry. Your game you have lost. You have lost it. Let us go to the next game. Next team, is it?
This one.
No, this team. Make yourself ready. Go stand there.
In Biz Foundation School, aho abana baba bari kwiga bigira mu matsinda, abandi bari mu ishuri. Urabona ko ni ishuri ryiza cyane rifite ibyangombwa byose bituma ishuri riba ryiza. Ubu ni ubusitani bwaryo, kutazana rero umwana muri Biz Foundation School no guhomba no kunyagwa zigahera niko abanyarwanda babivuga. Ibi ni ibibuga byo kwidagadura aha naho